Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 890 of the Crypto Corner podcast. Crypto Corner was recently named one of 14 of the best crypto and blockchain podcasts by the site Your Oyster, that's Y-O-R-E, Oyster. You can check out this list along with a write-up about Crypto Corner over at youroyster.com/blog/best-crypto-podcasts. Now for news today, Marathon Digital and RIOT Blockchain have each posted September updates, and BNXA Holdings has engaged a crypto investment bank called Architect Partners. But just before we jump into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Right, so Marathon Digital Holdings, Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq as MARA, has published its unaudited Bitcoin production and miner installation updates for September 2022. Highlights include the production of 360 Bitcoins in September, 616 Bitcoins in Q3 total, and an operating fleet of about 37,000 active miners producing approximately 3.8 exahash per second in hash capacity as of September 30th. The company's chairman and CEO Fred Thiel said, quote, "During the third quarter, we sequentially improved our Bitcoin production as we successfully transitioned out of our facility in Montana and continued scaling operations at new locations, including the King Mountain Wind Farm in Texas. This progress has continued into the first week of October with approximately 19,000 additional miners representing approximately 2 exahash per second coming online since the quarter's end." End quote. Moving along, RIOT Blockchain, Inc., which trades on the NasDaq under the ticker symbol RIOT, has shared its unaudited production and operations updates for September 2022. Highlights include the production of 355 Bitcoins, the holding of 6,775 Bitcoins, and a deployed fleet of 55,728 miners with a hash rate capacity of 5.6 exahash per second. Jason Less, the company's CEO, commented, quote, "We are thrilled to announce that Building D, the 6th building at our Rockdale facility, is now online. Our team has expanded RIOT's total deployed fleet by 9,070 miners and increased our hash rate capacity to an all-time high of 5.6 exahash per second. Additionally, we have already received nearly 15,000 S19 series miners, including the newest generation S19 XPs. In the coming months, we will remain focused on aggressively increasing our deployed hash rate as we work towards our goal of reaching 12.5 exahash per second in the first quarter of 2023. End quote. Lastly, for today, BNXA Holdings, Inc., which trades on the TSXV under the ticker symbol BNXA, has announced the appointment of Architect Partners, a U.S.-based cryptocurrency-focused investment bank, to ensure that shareholder value is maximized and to manage this process. BNXA's founder and board chairman, Dominic Carrozza, said, quote, "BNXA's board is excited about the company's future as BNXA continues to build important pieces of the global crypto market infrastructure. We remain committed to unlocking maximum value for our shareholders, whether that is through strategic deal-making or further organic growth." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.